As you watch today's video, I want to talk to you 5 things that I changed in my natural hair care this year in 2023 to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong. The very first regimen change that I made was I wash my hair more often. I now wash my hair at least once a week, 3 times at least per month. That ensures that my scalp is clean, that the length of my hair is moisturized. But as you know, I've got dermatitis on my scalp, and washing my hair more often is a way to keep on top of the dandruff. Instead of trying to prevent the dandruff, I'm trying to manage it because it's something that's not going away. As you know, I'm using sulfur 8 and I'm using virgin hair fertilizer. Both of those are great sulfur-based products that can help to reduce the dandruff on your scalp and to help you to manage the condition. So one of the main things that I now do is I wash my hair weekly. For this challenge, I'll be washing my hair every week from the installation date to ensure that my hair is clean for the upcoming week. The next regimen change that I've done is that I'm now using henna more frequently. As I told before in my previous video, I was using henna 4 times per year. But for 2023, I will be using henna every other month. Some months I'll be doing a full henna treatment, and for some months I'll be doing a tea rinse. Henna is a great bonding protein treatment for your natural hair, and I've got videos on my channel talking to you about how to use henna to strengthen your hair to allow it to grow stronger. So also check out those videos and the demonstration of how I apply henna. I applied henna on my hair the last time I was in mini twist, and I was able to get fantastic results. My hair now feels stronger, and I was able to strengthen my hair in order to install these mini braids. The next regimen change that I made in 2023 or making in 2023 is that I'm not going to be cutting my hair as frequently. Most of 2022 I was cutting away damage. That is because I damaged my hair using crochet braids, and most of my hair, probably about at least 4 or 5 inches of my hair had to be cut off in 2022, and as a result I didn't see a lot of progress in my growth. So for 2023 I'm not going to be cutting away so much. I'll try to reduce my cutting this year to only twice per month. That will ensure that I actually see length retention, but also because I cut away all that damage, the hair that I'm now growing is a lot stronger, and I'm able to grow my hair out now knowing that it's looking well. I'm going to be assessing my ends probably at the end of this challenge to see how well they're doing, and probably give myself a light dusting. If you enjoy the content on my channel, I would say to you, just go ahead and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and it really pushes this video up in the algorithm and help other ladies who are trying to grow their natural hair. Also check out the playlist section of my channel. I'm making lots of videos, over 300 videos now on my channel about growing your natural hair. So also check out the playlist section where you can find fantastic resources to grow your natural hair. I also have a Patreon account, so if you're looking for natural hair coaching, also I post just exclusive content there. So if you're looking for something to just grow your natural hair, more information, or want to work with me in another way, you can join my Patreon where I'll be happy to help you. I also have a TikTok account, brand new, so you could also watch out for short form videos there. Thank you so much. The next regimen change I've made to grow my natural hair, and is going to really be following in 2023, is I'm going to be using long-term protective style. Before 2022, my protective style were mainly crochet braids, as I said, and I wear those up to 6 weeks. I get growth and then I'd have to cut it away. So by using mini braids and mini twists to grow my hair, one of my last mini braids challenge was able to get to 22 weeks on that, and I was able to have fantastic results. Also seeing that the quality of my hair was a lot better. So I've been doing longer term protective style in mini twist. You can check out my mini twist challenge that's just finished, or you can also check out my mini braids challenge. I don't know how long this is going to run for, but it will be at least 12 weeks. It is very important to have a solid regimen. A regimen ensures that you know what you're going to be doing to your hair when. The difference between a routine and a regimen is that a routine is something that you do every week. A regimen is the steps that's in those routines. So for example, on a Monday, I wash my hair. That is my routine. My regimen is the steps that goes into washing my hair. I pre-poo my hair, then I put some shampoo on my scalp, and then I put conditioner on the length of my hair, and I let that sit for 15 minutes and I rinse off. That is my regimen, but my routine is how often I do it. It's very important with our type 4 natural hair that we do have a routine that keeps us on track to meet our goals. As you know, in 2023 we're growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong, and if you want to join me, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button. I post weekly motivation videos, sometimes twice weekly, to help you to grow your natural hair. The next regimen change that I've made in 2023 is I've increased the use of heated rollers. As you know, I like to have a little bit of heat on my hair, and using heated rollers over the years has proven to be the best way I can keep my natural hair stretched. If my natural hair is quite stretched, then I'm less prone to breakage from single strand knots, etc. So I'll be using lots more heated rollers in my hair, and I'll be trying to film loads of those. But anytime you see my hair stretch in 2023, it's likely going to be from heated rollers. Now, I have just bought a Revlon blow drying brush, and I'm having fantastic results on my children's hair, so I might review that for you. But the majority of the time that I will stretch or curl my hair in 2023 will be from my heated rollers, and that's because I get no damage using those, and so I like to use that to stretch my natural hair. The next regimen change that I made in 2023 is to increase my use of Ayurveda. I've stuck to quite a small list of Ayurveda products. In this year, I want to try some shiitake and stuff that I have tried before, but I've not really been consistent in using. Ayurveda is a great way to grow your natural hair, and using the herbs in a combination of ways can really help you to grow your natural hair. So I'll be doing a lot more Ayurveda, different kinds of Ayurveda, and showing you those rinses, especially in the summer, where I can film some of that for you in my garden. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, talking to you about the regimen changes that I've made or I'm making in 2023. Remember, this channel is here to help ladies who's never had long hair before. If you've never had long hair before, this channel is great motivation. You can watch videos on my natural hair journey, and I've got plenty of playlists showing you my journey from when I had no hair to now my hair is past bra strap length and it's heading to waist length fully. So I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you and take care. Hey YouTube, it will really mean a lot to me if you would hit the subscribe button and also click any one of these videos to help you to grow your natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.